Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Ta-da! Who do we have here? Omari-chanwa. Where did our Omari-chanwa go to? Hello! In today's video, it is interesting, it will be fun, because we will be learning about the different parts of the body and what they are called in Igbo language. Kanyibido, let's begin. Ta-da! Who do we have here? Omari-chanwa. So Omari-chanwa will be our picture for today. Parts of the body. The hair. We can see how long her hair is. The hair is known as ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. The hair. Ntutu isi. We have the eye. Oh, how shiny and bright those eyes are. The eye, anya, anya. The nose, ini, ini, ini. The mouth, ono, ono, ono. And the lips is known as ebugbere ono, ebugbere ono for the lips. The mouth, ono for the mouth. We have the elbow. The elbow, ikpere aka. Elbow, ikpere aka. We have the hand. Her hand is known as aka. Aka. Weli aka genu. Aka. The fingers. Fingers are known as mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. Aka for the hand. Mkpịsị aka for the fingers. Mkpịsị aka, fingers. We have ụkwụ, leg. Ụkwụ, leg. Ụkwụ, leg. Isi for the head. Isi for the head. Isi, head. Just like ntutu isi, the hair. Ntutu isi, hair. Isi, head. Nti, the ear. Nti, the ear. As you can see, she's putting on a very dangling and expensive earring. Nti, the ear. Olu, the neck. Olu, neck. Olu, neck. Ubu, ubu, the shoulder. Ubu, the shoulders. Ara, the breast. Ara, the breast. Afo, the stomach. Afo, the stomach. A beautiful girl. So obviously she has a flat stomach. Afo, the stomach. Afo, the stomach. Uku, the waist. Uku, the waist. This is uku, the leg. Uku for the waist. Uku for the waist. Uku for the leg. Uku for the waist. Apata. Apata, the thigh. Apata, the thigh. Apata, the thigh. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, that is the toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, the toes. Just like mkpịsị aka for the fingers. Mkpịsị aka, fingers. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, the toes. There is this song we usually sing while learning the parts of the body. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Don't worry, we are going to learn how to sing it in Igbo. So let's get started. Where did our Omari Chanwa go to? Oh, she obviously went for audition to contest for Miss World. But before she comes back, let's learn this song. Head, shoulder, knee and toe, knee and toe. Head, shoulder, knee and toe, knee and toe. And eye and nose and mouth and ear. Head, shoulder, knee and toe, knee and toe. Obviously, we already learned that head is isi, shoulder is ubu, knee, ikpere, toe, mkpịsị ụkwụ. So let's go. Isi ubi ikpere mkpịsị ụkwụ. Isi ubi ikpere mkpịsị ụkwụ n'anya, n'imi, n'ọnụ na ntị. Isi ubi ikpere mkpịsị ụkwụ. Isi ubi ikpere mkpịsị ụkwụ. Isi ubi ikpere mkpịsị ụkwụ n'aka, n'olu, n'afọ, n'ụkwụ. Isi ubi ikpere mkpịsị ụkwụ. That brings us to the end of our lesson today. Don't forget to go over the songs again and again. Till I come your way next time, I am Teacher Chiamaka, your teacher at igboclass.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.